Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing my program that I made. It's not a coding challenge like I said it would be, but it's not, okay? But this is part 3 of the neural network from scratch series. And yeah, I'm just going to show my program. So, I did have another video a long time ago about this, about a color predicting program that I made through brain.js. But in this one, it's completely different program, but it's pretty much the same output. And yeah. And this one I'm going to be creating the neural network from scratch. Okay, so the programming is really different, but the output is pretty much the same. So yeah, let's just see what this program does. So yeah, it's pretty much the same. Can you see this color or not? Well, yes, I can. I guess that was pretty. I mean, I can see it from a close distance, and so can you guys, because you guys are pretty much just seeing the screen. But if you actually go far away, because like usually this program's supposed to check if you can see the text from like 5 meters away or something, or you can decide from what the distance will be. But yeah, I don't know how good your eyesight is, but from 5 meters away I can see it, but like it's not as easy as the last one. Okay, so I'm gonna say no. Yes, no, 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 yes, yes. Okay, what the hell? Okay, that's probably like the best one I've ever gotten. Okay, no, 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 yes, no, yes, yes. Okay, new situation. So what this did, okay, yeah, my program, I don't know what's wrong with it. I can see that completely. I don't know why it's saying I can't, but you know, let's just try that once more, okay? I won't have too many inputs, okay? So yes, no, yes, no. Oh, that was another really good one. So no, no, yes, 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 yes. New situation. I mean, that's a really small number, by the way. It's like, I think it's 1.67 blah 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 times 10 to the minus 8. Which is really small. It's basically 0. I mean, yeah, I guess I can't see that, but this computer is really sure that I can't see that. But I mean, I can kind of see that, but I guess these two colors like lie in the same color family. So yeah, whatever. So let's see. What it first did, it showed us what the initial outputs were. So these are all the initial outputs, and then the desired outputs. If you click yes, then it gives a 1. If you click no, it gives a 0. Okay, and now as I was clicking, I think you probably saw, it was appending ones and zeros into this list. So yeah, output 0.9. That's correct. 0.2 correct, but not as confident. 0.9 correct. 0.15 correct. 0.00. Oh god, that's really correct. 0.8. That is absolutely wrong. 0.67, not as confident. Same with this, not same with this. And this one's pretty confident, 0.91 and 0.9. That's pretty good. Okay, so that's how the program works. Yeah. Now let's just look at the code. I'm just going to go over this really quick. Over here, I've just some CSS just to like position and the coloring and everything. So, and then some elements. For example, that's the background, and that over there is the text, and some buttons. These buttons over there, and then yeah, and then these are the lists. Okay, initial outputs, desired outputs, and final outputs. Then JavaScript. I have two global variables over here, background and text, so I can access these two elements. The can you see this and the background color, like from wherever I want, because they're global variables. Okay, and same with inputs and desired outputs. And before, like I had this visual kind of data representation, I always went to the console, so that's a really good thing, because the console, you can pretty much do whatever you want in there, and it's really good for debugging and everything. Okay, then over here, it basically converts the color, okay, into a number. Okay, so what I basically did, window to get computed style of the background. So if I go like window dot get computed style background, because that's a global variable, null, and then which property do we want to get off the background? We want to get the background color. Okay, then it gives us this thing. So what I had to do, I had to get each of these numbers by themselves. So that was pretty hard, and yeah, well, it wasn't exactly hard. It took a lot of time. Okay, so after that, I returned what was it? I think it was a tcolor2 plus tcolor. Yeah, I think it was a string separated with commas, and then I stored that into an array and just returned that. And then after that, I wrote functions over here: generate a random color, give a random color, and then give a random weight, and then there's two functions really helpful: sigmoid and the sigmoid derivative. Okay. Then in the new situation, when you click that, it basically does all the algorithm, matrices and everything. And then there's the repeat function that I had, and remember in the last video I also coded a repeat function. And then I basically just repeated that 10,000 times. Maybe I should do it for longer to make it more accurate. I don't know. So and then after that I just appended all the data and everything. Yeah, and over here, like function next takes an argument. Basically, in this button, in these two buttons, if you click yes, then it runs the function with a true argument, and if you click no, it runs the function with a false argument. Okay, so if x is equal to true, do this. If x is equal to false, then do this. Okay, so basically converts it into a number between 0 and 1, because I basically got the value of r, and I divided by 255, and got the value of g, divided by 255, got the value of b, and divided by 255, because 255 is the maximum, kind of like the most intense color of that color. Okay, so yeah, and then I just changed the background color and everything. It's pretty, because my programs are really messed up and have everything all over the place, so yeah. Okay, but 292 lines of code, almost 300, and I coded this like in 3 days or something, so yeah. It didn't take too much time. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.